There's no need to complicate. All the time is yours. Cause this is our fate. Cause I'm yours. Do-do-do. Well, you done me and you bet I felt it. I tried to be chill, but you're so hot that I melted. I fell right through the cracks, and I tried to get back. Before the cool done run out, I'll be giving it my best, and nothing's gonna stop me but divine intervention. I reckon it's again my turn to win some more, learn some, but I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. 'Cause I'm yours. Got to believe I'm yours. It's yours and yours alone. Open up your mind and see like me. Open up
Yes,
your
Kanye.
head, you're free. I'm looking to you hard and you'll find love. Listen to the music of the moment, people dance and sing. We're just one big family. 'Cause it's your God-forsaken right to be loved.
Yung tent natin. Okay. So they're enjoying their tacos.
Mine sounds like burritos.
What's yours, RJ?
Tastes like burritos.
Okay, time for lunch. Kakain na tayo. Let's go. Una dyan.
Ba, naihaw na agad?
RJ got one too.
It's beginning. Is this?
Tingnan mo.
Uy, marami tayong mauwi ata. Marami ata tayong mauwi. Anong tawag dyan, ayungin?
Yung nahuhuli natin.
Bagaong? Oh, okay. May mapapaksiw na naman tayo.
Sige, yun na. Buksan mo yung...
Meron ulit si RJ!
Pag-test ni Daddy, like 1 minute agad nakita ko yung sisig ko gumanon.
Wow! Let me see. Let me see. Wow! Are you happy, RJ? Okay, let's just wait.
I do. I'm looking at this part.
Where?
Mabuti hindi red point line ko kasi mas galing sila sa red man talaga.
What do you mean red? Why are you not holding your phone?
I'm watching it. Only my business. I'm doing my own business.
Ha? Hindi na ng tubig, no?
Oo, linaw nga eh.
Kunti wala pang
Pag umiga ako, lagi na lang lumalabas.
Mama tulog. Uy, may nakuha si Daddy.
Meron?
Red.
Meron? Ang galing!
Dito.
Ano naman yan?
This is Andule.
Sabi sa'yo eh.
I know.
Makakaano tayo
It's different.
Pag may nakuha tayo,
Sarap nito.
may five na to. Ano yung different? Baka mauntik naman yung isda. Mamatay naman.
Eh.
Mauntik yung isda.
Ayun o, kita mo kanya gumagalaw. Kala. Ayun aja ya.
Nagsiswim pa sila.
Oh. Yeah.
Wala pa sa akin.
RJ, it's raining.
Buti mo yung payong. Dito tayo.
No, you want me to get the umbrella?
Yes, please.
Eh, nakahuli na kaya.
So, ayun ako guys, nakahiga dyan. Tapos, gisingin nila ako dahil nakahuli sila. Yan. And then, lagay mo lang sa tabi dito kapag nakita mo nang meron ng kumagat ulit. Yung umbrella, lagay mo lang sa tabi mamaya pag makita mong may kumagat ulit, okay? So you're not gonna get wet, okay? Meron na naman? Kay RJ ulit yan? Pangilan mo na yan? Pangatlo? Oba! Galing ah! Damihan nyo!
Pag nakita mo lumubog yan ha. Malalim yan, diba? O, tingnan mo, may isda yung itim mo. Huwag mo sila. Ha? You went live?
We're going to the lighthouse.
Alright, we're going 4x4. Once more, 4x4 mode. So, we go right here, onto these rocks. Come on, baby. Let's do the 4x4. Whoa! I felt that.
Alright, Dad. Someone.
taas to ha. Itong kana.
Ate,
Oh my God, the tree.
yes, ito na.
Are we even here?
Yes, ito na.
Oh, laundinate dito. Pagkalayo-layo naman ang team building nyo. Morning po. Yes. Anong tawag nga niya? Bagaong. Pero kamukha niya yung ayungin.
Oo.
Kasi yung ayungin may mga green. Ano to? Guhit-guhit din.
Great din.
Masarap yung paksiw.
Oo nga. Napakinadangan natin yung nahuli.
Hindi may ulam tayo.
Di ba?
My one solution is my queen, cause she stays strong. Yeah, yeah, she's always in my corner right there. When I want her, all these other girls are tempting, but I'm empty when you're gone and they say, do you need me? Do you think I'm pretty? Do I make you feel like cheating? I'm like, no, not really, cause oh, I think that I found myself a cheerleader. She's always right there when I need her, and oh, I
Hindi ko lang sandali.
Siguro.
myself a cheerleader. She's always right there when I need her. She walks like a model. She grants my wishes like a genie in a bottle. Yeah, yeah, cause I'm a wizard of love, and I got the magic wand. All these other girls are tempting, but I'm empty when you're gone, and they say, do you need me? Do you think I'm pretty? Do I make you feel like cheating? I'm like, no, not really, cause
And si Lester. Ayun. Nakaputi. Tsaga.
myself a cheerleader. She's always right there when I need her.
Time ko lang makakasama.
What do you call that?
Kaya.
Okay.
Affection, baby, need I mention? You're the only girl for me now. I don't need a next one. Mama loves
Yay! Send mo sa
the
Facebook.
right selection. All that's
Like
left to
and
do is
subscribe
just
to
for me
GC.
to pop the question. Oh, I think that I found myself a cheerleader. She's always right there when I need her. Oh, I think that I found myself a cheerleader.
We eat and travel. Okay, say goodbye. Okay, what do you tell them?
Like and subscribe, hit the plus button, share and comment, hit the plus button.
Okay.
Bye-bye!
Ilan yan? May huli?
Dalawa na.
Anong fish? Oh? Ano si RJ? Here, here. Oh, ito ang fish. Ay, no. Wow. Ikaw nakahuli niyan, RJ? Wow. Ang galing. Put it in
That's
the
why,
water.
because your friend,
Aray!
Why?
Eh, ito,
fell
na,
off.
na ano na,
Lalagyan.
umayaw na.
Fishing rod!
Anong fish yan? Yung tulad sa Sambales?
Oo.
Yung maitim? Ang tawag doon? Parrot fish?
Fishing rod!
Ay, hindi parang tilapia.
Oo nga eh.
Fishing
Alam
rod
mo
to!
taba.
Ano?
Fishing rod.
Dalawa.
Yung,
Ang itim na tilapia. Ang galing.
yung tatlo nawala eh.
Nako, worth it naman pala yung punta niya doon.
Mabato ka
May,
na.
may ihawin na no.
Mami, mabato ka naman doon.
Ito medyo mas malaki.
Ang galing. Oo nga, oh. Galaw-galaw ka. Lagyan niyo sa tubig. Ang galing nga, ganyan. Congrats!
Put it in the water.
Sunog na sunog ka. Tsura mo. Oh, puri na ng water daw, dali.
Throw it away.
No!